For decades, we've all been looking at lung health through a limited lens. AireHealth's artificial intelligence tool helps provide a more complete picture of lung health by analyzing breath sounds. When using a stethoscope to listen across the chest wall, body mass acts as a low-pass filter, suppressing high-frequency sounds, much like the exterior wall of a house. Our system opens a precisely placed window in that wall, the mouth, allowing it to accurately pick up both low and high frequencies. Our tools can objectively, repeatedly, clearly, and consistently capture the entire frequency range and all the sounds that dwell in it. Furthermore, we can equalize the sound and emphasize the frequency ranges of our interest. In our lungs, the airway branches many times, each branch being smaller than its parent. Like a pipe organ, the smaller tubes produce higher frequency sounds, while the bigger tubes produce lower frequencies. By knowing the frequency behind an abnormal sound, we can identify the area of the lung it originates. For a given sound, we can distinguish if it's coming from the lungs or from the mouth or vocal cords. We do this by looking at the brightness of the sound. In a drum kit, a cymbal is a very bright sound, in contrast to a bass drum with a dull sound. A sound becomes less bright by its journey through the lungs. Through analysis, we can tell if a sound originated near our device on the mouth or upper airway, or further away from our device, deep in the lungs. We extract 35 descriptors or biomarkers from the sounds and flow signals. We collect the flow and sound signals simultaneously, getting two pictures of the same event. This is very powerful, as the same sound can have a positive or negative meaning depending on where in the breath cycle it is placed. Take wheeze, for example. Wheeze late in the breath is normal and indicates the user is putting forth the required effort. The detection of this sound can be used to help coach optimal test method. However, a wheezing sound early in the exhalation may indicate a condition that needs attention. In addition to reflecting lung health, a person's breath sounds can also reflect heart health. For example, collected lung sounds may carry information related to symptoms of congestive heart failure. Our proprietary technology can be utilized in the clinic or at home to monitor breath sounds and provide clinicians with valuable insights into a patient's disease state. It gets to know each user individually, while also learning about commonalities within populations or disease states. This enables a single dataset to be analyzed against thousands of others to help predict future respiratory events. By identifying clinically actionable moments through real-time patient data, AireHealth's artificial intelligence tool helps clinicians deliver the right care at the right time to improve care outcomes, increase patient satisfaction, and lower care costs.